What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So starting off this look, I am going in with this really light blue shade from the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm just blending it in as much as I like. It usually depends on how I feel that day, so yeah. And then I'm going in with the second darker blue, which is right next to the light shade, and then I'm dabbing, I think that's how you say, dabbing it into my crease, and then I'm gonna blend it out into the other blue. Okay guys, and I'm so sorry if throughout the video it gets blurry. I am still having a struggle with my camera, and most of the times I couldn't see the screen, so I didn't know if it was blurry. Now I'm using this clean brush to just blend out both of the shades, and I do it on both eyes. Now this brush is clean, trust me, it's just that this blue is so dark that it made the brush blue. Okay, now I'm going into my third shade of blue. This is the darkest one out of the three, and then I'm putting that more into my crease and then blending it in to the other colors, but just in my crease, not out or like anywhere else, but just in the crease. Okay, so I already got my crease here with my Tarte Shape Concealer, and now I'm going in with Illusion from Profusion Cosmetics and putting that towards the inner of my eye. And then I'm gonna go in with Atlantis, I think that's how you say it, which is a blue shimmer shade from the same palette, and I'm putting that in the middle of my eyelid. Okay guys, so now I'm going into the third dark blue shadow that I used before in my crease, and using that to blend it the colors on the outer of my eye. Okay guys, here I am going in with again the third dark blue shade from the palette and putting that under my eyes, just so it looks better. I was actually not gonna add blue under my eyes, but then at last minute I'm like, oh well, just why shouldn't I? I'm already dramatic, so might as well make it more dramatic. Okay, here I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes and add a mascara. Now I can't remember the name of the mascara, but it's from L'Oreal Paris, I think that's where it's from. But anyways, I'll try to list down all the products I use down in the description box. Now they won't be there the very first time I upload this video. It might take a while for me to put them there, but yeah, they will be out there for you guys. Now I am gonna contour my face using the ELF bronzering and blush palette, and I'm just going to use the bronzer to contour. Okay, so here I am using the Etude House Shining Powder Cheek Duo in number 1, which is Coral Crush Duo, and I'm just using the blush on the palette. Okay, now I am going into the Black Light Highlight 6 color palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm using the blue highlight in there, which is called Queen. It's Kween, and yeah, I decided to go more dramatic by adding some blue highlight for you guys. Okay guys, so here I am adding a shade again from the same palette, the Black Light colors, and I am adding a strobe to the eyebrow bone, and then I'm gonna add it on the top of my mouth and on my nose. And then I am gonna add my lipstick from BH Cosmetics in Rosy Ray for you guys. Now I didn't show a clip because I was totally out of frame for this one, which I am so sorry guys. I noticed I was mostly throughout the video. I'll work harder on that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again with another video soon. So yeah, bye bye guys, and thank you guys so much for watching.